Good morning, guys and gals. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Teach Time, and we have another full day of vlogging planned for you guys. We woke up a little bit late this morning. I am not going to have time to work out, but I did have time to do a little bit of reading, which is never something that I like to miss. And I want to show you guys what I'm working on today. Doesn't look like a whole lot right now. Still got a lot of work left to do on it. But this is a desk that's going to be at our church. Essentially, it's going to be pushed up against a wall, so this will be an opening for someone to come and stand back here and greet people as they come in the door. Other than the top and the shelves and the top down there, they want this entire thing to be black. Not necessarily a taste that I like, but it is going to match the church and it's going to look really cool, especially with the pop of that stain coming off the counter. Asher woke up several times last night, which is half the reason we slept in a little bit. And it's not late. I mean, it's only 6:30 or so. We just normally wake up at 4:30, and I'm already upstairs at 6:30 and the kiddos are up and everything, but everyone's a little tired this morning because Asher didn't want to sleep last night. Let's go see if they're up. Good morning. Well, Asher's still out. Well, hey, little dude. Hey, mama. Asher said, I didn't let y'all sleep, but y'all be quiet and let me get the rest of my sleep. So, Asher, you were telling me about a dream you had. You want to tell the kiddos? What was your dream about?
It was a blue Satan with footer on my top bunk wire, and then it footer under my cover and shake the whole bed.
It slivered under your cover and shake the whole bed?
Yes.
That's scary.
That was a little scary. Did that scare you a little bit?
Yeah.
But do you have to stay scared?
No.
No?
But my fear got away, and it just cut the fear. My brain cut the fear.
Oh, your brain.
Your brain got the fear.
It's like a knife.
Ooh, somebody did a stinker. Ready to make that stinker go away. You want to say Jesus? Jesus.
Because we've observed over the last couple days that Callum has been having what appears to be a UTI. He's just, every time he has to pee-pee, he's like, pee-pee, ow. I mean, I'm not sure. So anyways, we have to go to the doctor early this morning. So a little bit off of our normal routine, but that's what's nice about homeschooling. Asher, I can kind of just work around that. Asher, what you got?
My Bible.
Your Bible?
It says Asher.
Asher's what?
Asher Bible.
It says Asher's
I know
Bible.
it says special.
It is special. Nana got you that. Hey, what did we learn about today, this morning for schoolwork? What Bible story did we read?
Moses.
And what did Moses do?
He walked in the
He walked through it. He split the sea. God split it where they could cross through it, huh? Yeah.
But the waves covered the nice people.
The waves covered the bad people. the king and Pharaoh and his army, huh?
What's army?
Bad people. Well, not all bad people. It's just soldiers, people defending something.
All of the building part of this project is complete other than a logo for the church, which I'm going to be putting on the front here. I've got to carve that with my CNC machine. Once the wood filler dries on this, I'm going to take it outside and do a bunch of sanding work. And after that part is done, I'll be able to start painting it. Installing the logo will pretty much be the last step because I'm going to carve it, stain it, clear coat it, and then just install it onto the outside once everything's nice and dry. I just got done eating lunch and now I'm starting up the grill. Waiting for Mama, Asher, and Callum to get back home. She actually took Callum to the doctor. Past couple days we've been thinking that he might have a urinary tract infection because of some of the things he's done and said to us in his infant words. Turns out they think he's got an ear infection and they're going to give him some antibiotics for it, yada, yada, yada. So she's on her way back home, and I am about to get some smoke rolling through this grill and smoke us some beef jerky, which I've actually never done that on this grill before. So we usually do beef jerky on our dehydrator. I've been wanting to try it this way because I'm sure it's going to give it a whole lot more flavor. Later on, I'm going to be throwing some chicken on there, and for the first time, I'm going to be cooking some lamb on my grill as well. Got some lamb chops to throw on there to see how those turn out. Finally got all our meat back from the processor. We made some chili with it that I just got done eating. The chili turned out absolutely amazing. Really looking forward to the grill out this evening.
Where we at?
At the doctor.
At the Dr. Callum, are you ready to go?
Because he said it. Because he said it.
Okay. Y'all waiting on the doctor?
Yeah. And I liked the nurse.
Asher was smart enough to bring a couple toys, huh?
Yeah, I just brought two.
Just two, one for Callum, one for you. Callum is climbing the thing.
Yeah, okay.
We got a
Mom,
climber.
it's only just...
Just let me out. Let me out. All right. Asher's going to play with toys. And Mama's going to work in the garden.
Mommy, you know what? With your plants.
With my plants. Yes, of course.
The plants and the basket.
Yes. Let's go.
Just got this puppy back in here. All of the sanding is done and I'm about to start putting some black paint all over this sucker. And I'm going to be using flat paint. And then whenever I'm done with all of the painting and then retouch up all this stained top, I'm going to be putting a satin clear coat over the entire thing. Let me show you what it looks like right now before I put any paint on it. This is going to be the front. This is the left side. That over there is the right side. And this is where you would enter to stand behind the bar. And this will be storage space here. This will be where they're greeting people from. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Hedgeway Church. Overdid the turkey.
All right, so this is wonderful. The kids are playing because it is 77 degrees and sunny the last day of February. Crazy. So it's tricking us, making us think spring's ready to go ahead and plant stuff, but I'm not going to be fooled. But I'm out here potting up stuff, and Callum is in the sand pit, and Asher's playing with the neighbor. Everybody's happy for the time being, so I'm going to get to planting. I have bread rising, so we can have some fresh bread with whatever Cody has on the grill that smells so delicious. And it's a good day. Callum and I came in to take a water break. He's happy because now he has a piece of chocolate and water. Whew, and this bread. Look at this. It's rising so good. Looks so good. It's like my favorite recipe. It's a French loaf recipe. I'll put a link for it in the description because it's my absolute favorite. And so easy. To finish up planting up those cosmos, and this will be on its second rise, and then it only takes about 20 minutes to bake. So super simple bread. It is a sourdough recipe, but I do add a little bit of yeast to make it such a quick recipe. You could do all sourdough, but it would take like 24 hours, and this way I literally could have bread in 3 hours. So not as much planning ahead, which I really like. All right, the bread is ready to go in the oven. See how much it rose, so pretty. And then I also started some green bean almondine, I think is what they call it. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but I'm gonna put this all in the oven and go get Callum's medicine at the pharmacy. So Cody should be able to get this out of the oven, and then we'll have a good dinner tonight.
You guys, these lamb chops and that deer backstrap. Oh, I already knew that the deer backstrap was good, but I smoked the lamb chops for about 2 hours on the smoker. Oh my goodness. First time ever trying them aside from a Greek and Lebanese restaurant, which I thought was disgusting there, so I was a little worried. But one of my buddies from church raises sheep as well, and he swore that's some of the best meat you'll ever eat. That was better than a ribeye. Oh my goodness, so good. I'm excited for Jessie to try it. Asher, did you like that lamb? Yeah?
I think a lot of them there.
He really liked it a lot. That is it for today's video, you guys. We just finished up grilling and I cleaned up my mess in the shop, and now it's time to go upstairs so we can eat. What you got?
My toys.
What you been doing?
I've been playing right on the gravel.
You've been playing on the gravel with who?
With Carson.
Your neighbor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all been running around like crazy people while Daddy's cooking, huh?
And then I had a hole in my sock.
You have a hole in your sock. You want to show the kids?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that hole. You look like your daddy. God bless you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. We will see y'all on the next one.